In this video, I will show you how you can post on Capcut. So posting on Capcut requires few things. The first thing is you need to join their creator program. In order to do so, you just need to apply for Capcut Creator to post your particular templates. Now this is the official CapCut website, and as you can see, you need to prepare your best edit made in CapCut. You need to take a screen record of the editing interface, and the interface should demonstrate the features that you used in that particular video. Then click apply now button at the bottom of this page. Fill out the application form and remember to upload your screen record. Requirements is based in United States and you should be at least 18 years old. Now in the CapCut application, if you are in the United States, you will see the option of creator program on the top of your screen. Now either it can be in the template section on the top of your screen, or you just need to click on it and then follow the on-screen instructions. As I said, you need to screen record all of your editing that you are doing in the CapCut right now and then apply it. So after you join their creator program, you will be able to post your templates on CapCut. So that's the only way of how you can post on CapCut.